today we wanted to bring to you partner stretching for the glutes. I know we've talked to you in a few of our series here about different ways to do trigger point work or muscle work with someone that you've got close to you at home. And today I wanted to talk about how to do a good partner stretch because sometimes you just need a good stretch when the muscles are tight and when the muscles are sore. So today I'm going to have Dr. Brian go on his back here, and we are going to show you how to maximize getting the glutes stretched out. One of the things that's kind of unknown with the muscles is that when you stretch them, if you fire them, there's a refractory period where they can't fire any further, and in that time you can stretch them further than you would normally be able to stretch them, so we can actually get a deeper stretch out of them, get more blood flow into them, and actually get a lot more accomplished as far as feeling relief. So this is a great thing to be doing at home with whoever you got around you to really help alleviate some tension that you have in your low back and your glutes and into the entire hip girdle overall. So ideally, if you have a hard surface, floor, something like that is going to be the best. Softer surfaces like a bed can work. You're just going to have a little bit more give, so it's not going to be quite as deep. But essentially the person who is going to be stretched is going to be on their back. You're going to bend one knee. So this is kind of like a base setup for a figure 4 stretch. Bend the opposite knee and cross the ankle over the opposite knee here. And then you're going to have the person start into a stretch where you cross their knee towards their shoulder here, towards the opposite shoulder. So I'm going to be using my forearm on their shin bone here, not like bone to bone. If it feels painful or uncomfortable, try and make a softer contact into their calf if you can. But I'm just going to drop my body weight into this here. They're going to tell me when to stop, when that's a good stretch.
Right there.
Right there? Okay. So I'm going to hold this for about 2 Mississippi. And then I'm going to have Brian here push back at about 60% resistance so he doesn't throw me off the table. So push back against me for 5 Mississippi. And relax. And now tell me again when to stop.
Right there.
And now if you guys can see, I was actually able to stretch a little bit further than we could the first time. And now push back against me. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. And again, tell me when to stop.
Right there.
Good. And again, we're able to stretch further than we were the first time. I like to do this 3 times, so push back against me once more. And relax. Tell me when to stop.
Right there.
Good. Okay, and again, this isn't something where the person that's helping stretch is using force or trying to strengthen their muscle through. You're literally using your body weight to drop on top, otherwise you're going to risk injuring yourself. So make sure that you don't have the person who's, resisting against you throwing you off the table, because you're going to be hurting yourself, or you're going to risk hurting yourself in the process. But as long as you've got teamwork in the process and you're communicating, you should be great. I hope this video helps, and we'll be bringing you some more stretches in the future.